As soon as the bid opening is conducted, the agency starts evaluating the submitted bids. At the preliminary examination stage, the agency should diligently verify the eligibility of the submitted bidders, including each member of a joint venture, subcontractors and their personnel, etc., if any, against the list of debarred firms and individuals and list of suspended firms and individuals. The agency is not allowed to use such information for any other purposes except for bid evaluation and required to keep it confidential.
You can access to these lists from STEP. Click the reference icon in the top bar. Then select Related Information. Click the debarred firms. You will be redirected to the Procurement for Projects and Programs page. Scroll down and click the link Debarred Firms and Individuals. In the page of Procurement, World Bank listing of ineligible firms and individuals, search the name in the search box to find the results. Similarly, click the Suspended Firms link in Related Information tab. You will be redirected to the bank's client connection. It is an account-driven website. Log in by your account. Then click the Suspended Firms link on the right navigation pane. And search the name in the search box to find the results.
Once the bid evaluation is completed, the agency prepares the bid evaluation report and recommendation for award, using the bank's template, and submit to bank for review via STEP. Let's see how to do it.
In the Procurement Plan page, click the activity reference number to go inside. Scroll down and select the step of the bid evaluation report and recommendation for award in the roadmap. The Check Entries menu informs you of two parts to be completed. In tab Documents, upload the related documents. The mandatory document is Bid Evaluation Report and Recommendation for Award. Other documents, if any, should be uploaded in the Supporting Documents section. You may see the detailed guidance on uploading documents in the module Prior Review, Draft BD, Upload Documents.
Now, we move to tab Data Sheet. In this tab, you are required to add the names of identified bidders. You can search their names in one of three lists as shown under the sub-tab Select, Add Suppliers, Firms, or Individuals. Let's try with the World Bank list first. In the search box, select the searching criteria for a company, either by firm or individual name or by registry ID in the bank system. Firm or individual name is defaulted. Type the keywords of the company name in the next box. Then click Search. Look at the results and if found, tick the box beside the firm. Then save. The selected firm's name will be displayed in the tab Pre-qualification/Shortlist/Identified Suppliers.
Continue to look up the second firm. If the firm cannot be found in the World Bank list, you have an option to create supplier. Click the button and you will be redirected to Create Supplier form. Fill in mandatory fields including firm name, individual name, type, country, and address, and other optional fields if appropriate. The data must be in one of four banks' official languages, either English, French, Portuguese or Spanish, in line with the display language of the system selected for the agency. You are also required to answer the question, is firm, individual affiliated to a parent company? Select yes or no. If no, you just save the form. If yes, click Add Parent button. A similar lookup is displayed for your search. Select the parent firm if found. If the parent firm does not exist in the World Bank list, you should create the parent firm first and then link it to the child firm. Click Save to save your form. In the tab Pre-qualification/Shortlist/Identified Suppliers, the firm is marked with an icon. Click the icon to view the details of the structure.
The agency list records all firms or individuals you have searched before. From the second time, you can search names in this list. The results, if found, any are grouped by country for your easier identification. Select the matched firm and save. The firm name is displayed in the tab Pre-qualification/Shortlist/Identified Suppliers.
The UN list consists of names of United National Organizations. You should use this list if these agencies participate in your procurement.
A firm or individual marked with a red flag is debarred or suspended by the bank. Drag the cursor to the red flag icon for detailed information. In the system, you cannot select the red flagged firm. Again, the agency is not allowed to use such information for any other purposes except for bid evaluation and required to keep it confidential.
Now, identified bidders' names have been added in the tab Pre-qualification/shortlist/identified suppliers. You can create a joint venture by selecting the checkbox of related firms. Then click Link as Joint Venture. Once a joint venture is created, the individual names that are a part of the JV still stay in the list on their own. Select the JV and click Undo Joint Venture to remove the link. Update the information for the firm or individual by clicking Edit icon. You cannot make any changes on the fields of firm name/individual name, type, and country. Please note that only user who creates the parent affiliation for a supplier can see the button Change Parent, that means is able to edit the data they have created. Remove a firm from the list by clicking Trash icon. The deletion of an individual name which is a part of the joint venture does not affect the created JV.
Congratulations! You have successfully created a list of identified bidders. Let's move on.